What happens if you get pre-settlement funding and then lose your case? Do you have to pay the money back? That's one of the most common questions plaintiffs ask when they're deciding whether to apply for an advance on their lawsuit. Well, the short answer, no. You owe nothing if you lose your case. I'm Rhonda, lead AI voice actor at Express Legal Funding, and in this video, I'll explain why losing your case does not put you in more debt and what actually happens behind the scenes. To start, we need to explain that legal funding is what's called non-recourse. That translates to it being a risk-free cash advance made against the potential money from your legal claim, such as a personal injury or car accident lawsuit. The money you receive is only repaid from your case if there's a recovery. If there's no settlement or verdict in your favor, the funding company cannot go after your bank account, your paycheck, your house or car, or your credit report. You are not personally liable. There's no risk of wage garnishments or debt collectors coming after you because of the funding. That's the core difference between legal funding and a traditional loan. A loan follows you. Legal funding follows the case. So what actually happens if you lose? Your attorney lets the funding company know that there was no recovery, the file is closed, and you keep the money you already used to pay for things like rent, groceries, or medical bills. The funding company takes the loss. You don't have to pay that money back. Now, what if you don't lose, but your case settles for less than expected? For example, say you received $5,000 in funding, but your case only settles for $3,000. In that situation, repayment comes only from the actual settlement. The funding company can receive, at most, what your case pays, minus the attorney fees. They take a loss on the rest. You do not owe the difference out of pocket. In every scenario, repayment is limited to the money your case brings in, never your personal assets. That's why non-recourse legal funding can be a safer option than taking on more debt while you wait for your case to finish. If you'd like to learn more about how pre-settlement funding works or see if you qualify, you can reach out to us at expresslegalfunding.com, the official online home of Express Legal Funding. If this video helped answer your question or taught you something you didn't already know, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you'd like us to cover next about legal funding and lawsuit cash advances. Thanks for watching and stay safe.